HVAC airflow sheets, precision documentation for cleanroom. Presented by Learn GMP, incorporated in collaboration with technical training and consultation service. Overview. Once cooling loads are established, the next phase involves calculating dehumidified airflow using either psychrometric analysis, computer modeling tools. These airflow values are validated against minimum airflow requirements needed to satisfy thermal conditioning loads, cleanroom air cleanliness classifications, ISO/grade specifications. Airflow sheet composition and purpose. Airflow sheets are technical drawings, usually full-sized, that act as centralized documentation for airflow distribution across cleanroom zones. Key details include air supply rates to each room, return and exhaust quantities, transfer airflows between adjacent spaces, pressurization guidance. Initial values shown may require on-site modifications. Adjustments ensure compliance with pressure cascade requirements for GMP. Functional value across stakeholders. Airflow sheets serve as a critical interface between design intent and execution. Stakeholder. Owner/user. Use of airflow sheets. Review environmental control integrity. Stakeholder. Regulatory agencies. Use of airflow sheets. Evaluate GMP compliance during audits. Stakeholder. HVAC designers. Use of airflow sheets. Inform duct sizing, fan selection, AHU configuration. Stakeholder. Construction managers. Use of airflow sheets. Monitor implementation accuracy during build. Stakeholder. Balancing contractors. Use of airflow sheets. Verify system performance via on-site testing. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.